Okay, welcome back everybody to 777 Lucky Slots. We're gonna stand with the big machine. Don't forget to like and subscribe, smash those thumbs up. We're playing that dancing drums explosion. Okay, those are progressives. I played this machine earlier, didn't give me anything. I spent like $100. Try another 20, see how we can do on it. Okay, got the volume up. Oops, that was fast spin. Okay, first 3 wheels, and you get 3 drums. And the pot can open anytime with the, I'll show you which symbol. It can open with that one right there. See, the money that comes out throws it in the cam, so it can pop the trigger. 3 of those drums in the first 3 wheels. That's what we need. Try to get it. Let's do it. Pop it. $4 coming back. Okay. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Smash those thumbs up, everyone. The dancing drum. Oh, one more pot. If we have one more here, one more there, it'll be all 5. There was a gold drum. Try to get something good. One more drum right here. That's all we needed. Okay, that's $8 right there. Don't forget to smash those thumbs up, smash subscribe. It's free. It doesn't cost you anything. Alright, let's do this. Try to win something now. Wow. One more here, drum. Would have been all 5 drums. Let's do it. Pop the pot and get the grand. 14,207 would be nice. Or the major 923. Okay. Come on. That's the top symbol. If we get a full screen, it tastes really good. The food dogs. Oh, come on. Open the pot. Come on, one more drum. Come on. I think we'll get it. With that symbol, if it opens the pot, it'll double it. The meaning, the minor, and the major, it'll double it. That'll be pretty good. Come on. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Smash those thumbs up, everybody. We just needed one more drum right here. Now we're missing 1. Come on, open the pot. Ah. Come on, machine. Be nice to it, dancing drum. Come on. One more. There we go. Done the 3 games. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Smash those thumbs up. Let's do this. Come on. I'm gonna have to bring it out. Okay, let's pick the 10 free games. Come on. Let's get the full screen. Let's get them all across. and pop the pot. Let's do it, everyone. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Smash those thumbs up. Let's go. $8. Come on. Yeah, we got to re-trigger. 3 more free games. Smash those likes, everyone. Let's do it. Oh, come on. One more. First 2 wheels drums. You get 3 more free games. Oh, 1 more drum. We needed 1 more drum here. Would have been 3 more free games. Still got 4 more games remaining. Okay, thanks for the trees and the coins. Come on. 1 more game after this. Be good. Dun, dun. Come on. Alright. Okay, let's go in. $32. A little something, not bad. Don't forget to smash those thumbs up and like and subscribe, everyone. Help out the channel. I think we started with 20 on with this one. But earlier I lost 100. See, the pot is getting fuller, I guess. I don't know if they'll give it to us. Okay, let's do a couple backup spins. See what we can do. Okay. Pop the pot. Okay. Pop it. Pop them out with that one. And it'll double the progressives. Come on. Give us something good. Dun, 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 dun. 1 more. Wow, 1 more. Drum would have the free games again. Let's do it. Come on. Be nice to us, dancing drums. Pot can be full for a long time. Yes, it can be full for a long time. Okay. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Smash those thumbs up, everyone. Come on. Dancing drums, be nice to us. Come on. Okay, we're going under our 20 now. 1 fast spin. Come on. Just need 3 in the first 3 wheels. That's it. We're in the games now. They can be tough. On these machines, I usually don't have that much luck on these machines, but I'm doing it for you guys to show you guys the machines. It's the big one, the big version. I haven't done the big version yet, I guess, so I'm doing it for you guys. I always try hard for you guys to make the best videos as possible. If you could smash those likes and subscribe, I'll really appreciate that. That would help me out. And that's free and doesn't cost you anything to like it and subscribe. We post new videos every single day at 5 p.m. Don't be sure to forget to watch our other videos. We have a lot of videos. Come on, machine. something good. That's the gold drum we want. Yeah. These machines are very hard, unfortunately. Come on. Last 2 spins. Last spin. Okay, unfortunately we lost $20 on this machine. I'm not gonna say how much I lost earlier. So join us for next time for another video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Smash those thumbs up. I really try hard for you guys. Thank you for watching.